morning, everybody. My name is Michelangelo Parro and I'm Sales Area and Product Manager for IMA Coffee Division. We are here today at Alps Coffee booth with our partner, Mr. Stefan Schreyögg. Good morning, Stefan.
Good morning, Mr. Parro.
Could you please introduce your company?
Thank you. Well, my name is Stefan Schreyögg. I'm the fourth generation to lead the traditional family-run roasting company Alps Coffee. The company is situated in the northeast region of Italy. The history of the roastery dates back to 1890 when my great-grandfather, the merchant Joseph Schreyögg, established a specialty shop with colonial goods and coffees from all over the world. In the 1980s, the company increasingly specialized in coffee production and the export business.
Mr. Schreyögg, could you please tell us what is your current offer on the market?
Well, Alps Coffee combines Mediterranean passion and alpine quality awareness. Today, our roasting company presents a wide range of high-quality coffee. Our fine blends are gently roasted in a single origin slow roasting process. From delicious espresso blends, special compositions for fully automatic machines and filter coffees to practical pots, our range offers products to suit every taste and every method of preparation. Numerous certifications in organic, fair trade and food safety make us a modern roastery with a respectful approach to our environment.
Why did you choose IMA as a business partner?
Well, IMA is a reliable partner in the sector. We required a modern roasting plant with a large capacity. The professional approach of IMA convinced us to launch the new project together with IMA.
And how we were able to respond to your needs?
Well, the cooperation with you was based on trust right from the start. You as IMA are a long experienced, reliable partner in providing coffee roasting machines in all over the world. During all the stages from planning to installation, IMA was a competent and very professional partner. A company which is always up to date, combined with a lot of experience. So the perfect partner for us.
As a matter of fact, IMA Petroncini today represents the perfect combination between tradition and innovation. We were able to supply a complete full turnkey solution of a roasting plant. Mr. Schreyögg, what are your plans for the future?
Well, we focus on a sustainable coffee production. By promoting fair trade and organic farming, we have the possibility to sustain also local smallholders. The balance of social, ecological and economic aspects creates stability and ensures that coffee cultivation becomes sustainable.
Well, sharing the same ideas in terms of ecology and sustainability, we are very confident that our partnership will be consolidated over the time. Thank you for your time, Mr. Schreyögg.
Thank you very much, Mr. Parro. And now it's time for a good cup of coffee roasted by your machine.
Indeed.